Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Pasqua Seni Takshat. I am 38 years old. My height is 155 centimeter and my weight is 55 kilograms. I do not have any long-term medication or maintenance. I do not have any history of serious illness or disease. I am married. I have 3 children. I am college undergraduate. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I serve 4 family members, 2 adults and 2 kids. My duties are taking care of kids. I do household work, house cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing of clothes, car washing, and tutoring. I am willing to take care of newborn babies, children 1 year old and above, healthy and disabled elderly. Take care of pets, small and big dogs and cats. I am willing to do cooking, gardening, and car washing. I am willing to share job with another Filipino or Indonesian helper. I am willing to share room with other family member or other helper. I can also sing lullaby or nursery rhyme song for the baby or kids like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I hope, ma'am, sir, you will hire me. Thank you.